Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another breaking down yoga pose episode, and we are going to focus on side row or Parsva Bakasana. So it is an arm balance, and we are going to use our two blocks. So we are going to explore or approach our side row or Parsva Bakasana using blocks. Okay, so we are pretty much going to get into the shape so that we would be able to hold it, or at least shift the weight. The blocks are there for your shoulders. Okay. So there are lots of things happening when it's an arm balance. Number one, it's usually fear, which was me trying to learn this. I had one teacher say that you actually lean in to the arm balance. So we'll talk that in a moment when we're in that shape. Okay. Second is it is really a very deep twist, or you have to be in a compact shape while being in a twisted position. And then third, we're trying to keep the legs together, trying to keep ourselves compact as we push away from the floor. Okay, so let's try to break that down. Okay, so I'll be on my tippy toes or on the balls of the feet. Okay, and then from here, okay, so we want to be as compact as we can get and twist as much as we can. So in this case, it's my left arm. Okay, or trying to get as much of my left arm into my right leg. Okay. Let me just scooch over for my blocks. Okay. Now from here, we'll plant the palms down. Okay. So finding that compact shape, finding that deep twist. Okay. And then from here, okay, that's when we start to lean in, or usually that's where the fear kicks in. So you have to push away from the mat. Okay, so your upper back is wanting to round. And then from here, we'll lean forward. Okay. Actually, my leggings are in the way. And then from here, okay, the blocks are there, and then maybe for some you can even rest your shoulders on the block. Okay. And then from here, maybe look forward, okay, to help you push away. Okay. Your toes are there to catch you. And then we're trying to be as compact as we can, hugging the thighs together as we float. And then we'll come back down. Okay. So again, the blocks are there. Okay, I mean, for those who can, of course, hold it for as long as you can without the blocks, by all means, go ahead. Okay, let me show from the other side. Okay. All right. Okay. So again, we're in this, we're at the balls of our feet. Okay. And then trying to be compact again. Maybe get as much of your thighs against your chest. And then twist. Okay. Finding that deep twist, so getting as much of, this time, my right arm on that left leg. Okay. And then from here, as we start to shift forward, so if we're trying to find chaturanga or that yoga push-up, you'd want to keep your thighs hugging in towards each other. Okay. Oops. So again, the leggings are in the way. And then what usually happens here is your free shoulder, or in this case, the left shoulder, okay, is also trying to carry your weight. Okay, so again, you can land the shoulders on the blocks and then focus on pressing away. Maybe looking forward as we hold here. And then playing around with that. And then coming back. And then have fun exploring. Again, if fear is number one, which is, I would like to dare say, normal when approaching arm balances. Make sure that you have maybe even pillows in front, if in case you're going to face plant. So have fun. So I hope you had fun exploring and breaking down the efforts for that particular arm balance. So know that you can work on it as many times as you like. So I'd like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.